Okay, so working through this particular problem here, we know that OA, and AP are the same, so that's also equal to A, and this is vector A. And OB, or BQ, sorry, is 3OB. That means there's 3 OBs here, so together this is going to be 4 Bs. All right, so let's start off. We want to find AB. We want to go from A to B. Okay, so if we're going to do A to B, it's simply going to be AO plus OB. And I like to connect these two together, so if it's a trail, I'm going around here to here. And so AO I don't know, but I do know, I know AO I don't know, I do know OA, it's going to be negative AO plus OB, which is then just negative A plus B. And that is going to be AB. When I move to PQ, which is B part, PQ, I can do PQ, if I consider that's going to be going from sorry, I was going to see if I have a highlighter, but I don't see one. PQ is going to go from P to O, then O to Q. So if I go P to O and plus OQ, well, P to O is going to be the same as negative O to P plus OQ. Negative O to P is 2A's, so negative 2A's plus OQ is going to be 4B's. Okay, and there's PQ. And now finally, if I'm going to do AN, C is AN. Let me erase a little bit of what's going on here. Oh, there was my eraser. Okay, so here is my AN. Okay, so if I'm going to do AN, which is here. Well, what I could just do is I could go AP and then PN. And the reason why I can do that is because PN, I know from this statement, is half of PQ, and AP I know is A. So if I know that AN is equal to AP plus PN, AP is equal to little vector A, PN is half of PQ. Let me try that again. Half of PQ. So then I know from here's PQ, A plus half minus 2A plus 4B. So I get A plus minus A plus 2B, which is equal to 2B. And so there is AN. Now one of the things that I know is that this is a midpoint and this is a midpoint. This is half of this value. That's one of the properties of triangles that exists. Hope that helps.